Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuel pump fuses are located. You may have up to 3 different fuses, guys, in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we're going to explain where each of those fuses is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience today, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So, fuel pump fuses, guys, where they're located, let's explain now. We're going to demonstrate on a 2010 Honda Accord. Fun fact, you have 3 different fuse boxes. We'll be working in 2 of them today. The first fuse box that we need to check is inside the Honda Accord. Okay, excuse me, let me open it again. Right here, under the dash, guys. If you go in an angle, look upside down above your pedals, you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like this one. That's the layout right here. Now, before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the first fuse that we'll need to check here, guys, okay, next to the fuses you'll see numbers, which makes it really convenient. Excuse me. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 9. That 20 amp fuse will need to be checked here. Then we have another fuse, 2 fuses that we need to check. They're under the hood. That's the main fuse box here. Open that cover, and you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks, okay, just like this one here. Here, guys, we'll need to check 2 fuses. And we're talking specifically, if you come in that row of fuses here, we're going to talk about fuse number 14. This is a 15 amp fuse here. And then we need to check, guys, if we come in this row here, first one is 15, 16, 17. 17, fuse number 17. That fuse here is for the fuel pump and the fuel system as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.